Hey everyone, we have a set of Honda Integra DC2 JDM headlights finished up today. This customer sent in some OEM headlights which were severely hazed and pretty much you couldn't even see through the lenses. We did restore the lenses, did our best to get them cleared up, so they're a lot better than before. They by no means look perfect, but generally for lens restoration, the original condition is going to dictate the outcome. So these headlights are just really old, so a lot of them have severe kind of yellowing and oxidation. So it takes a lot of effort to get these to look, relatively clear again. The factory halogen projectors, of course, we upgraded. We did a 3-inch bi-LED projector retrofit here, and this basically corrects the right-hand drive beam pattern, and of course, gives you a much better light output. The internals were also painted. This customer actually supplied us with a spare set of bezels that he painted. So these have been like blacked out, and then they also have, he tried to still keep that period correct, like two-tone look. So these bezels were supplied by the customer, but we do offer paintwork services for these lights. Typically we'll just paint them all black. So if that's something you're looking for as well, we do that. And especially for like the chrome headlights, these are going to be the ones that experience the most type of damage over time. The chrome starts to basically peel away or rust, and if your headlights look like that, you definitely just need to get them repainted. And then finally, this customer added lens protection film. So getting the lenses back to presentable shape, he decided to add the lens protection film just to protect them for any type of future use and just prevent them from yellowing again. So yeah, if you have a DC2 JDM Integra headlights, want to get them upgraded with bi-LED projectors, this will be a significant boost in performance to the lighting. And also, of course, you get the proper left-hand drive optics, so you're not going to blind people on the road. And then, of course, we can do the lens restoration. Most of these headlights will probably need it. And we also offer the bezel internal painting service. So yeah, if you got one of these, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. There's a headlight package for this specific Integra, the JDM headlights. And you can make your order entirely online. We do offer other customization options such as halos and demonized lens etching, stuff like that if you wanted to add to your package. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.